Welcome to AQ Poultry Farming, where we do incubating service, where we provide chicks to our customers by a low price. If you want to work with us, you can bring eggs. We do incubating for you. Service, it is only 20 pop per egg. As you see, our incubator is on set. Eggs inside the incubator. Today they are week 2, which means next week we are expecting jigs from AQ Poultry Farming, where our knowledge is your success. As you see inside, there is a lot of eggs. We have 1 low, 2, 3, 4. And as you see, all of them, they are full. If you want our chicks from next week, you can get. We have also done brooding of 2 weeks chicks per now. As you see, this is our brooder, where we brood chicks from day 1 to week 6. As you see, they are very jovial, very strong, healthy chicks. Today, I vaccinated them against gumboro, which means they have remained with 1 vaccine, 1 gumboro, 1 Newcastle, 1 for pox, and finally 1 for typhoid. As you see, we are doing amazing work under AQ Poultry Farming. We wish you all the best. You are our determinants, and you can make us to move far. AQ Poultry Farming. Our knowledge is your success. May God bless you.